Hello, Aquarius. This is your tarot card reading for the second half of June 2021. This reading will be in general, and it would be good for someone. And I'm talking about the past just recently, the present, and the future. And feel free to give me some comments down below these clips, either constructive feedback or good feedback. All are welcome. Let's start with the card that will represent you for this period. This is the Ten of Cups. This card is all about family, about happy family, hopeful and harmony. Family's welfare and business or work at home is going well, and it's pretty united. Business or work is average, but full of happiness. The past just recently. Start with reverse of Knight of Wands. You will strive for success to achieve a stretch goal, no matter how difficult or how tired it was. You were so determined. You drove it seriously until you achieved the target. Four of Pentacles. You were spending wisely and carefully. You may invest in some business, and probably that's why you have to spend it wisely. Six of Pentacles. However, you will care and share to others, or vice versa, others support you. The present. Start with King of Cups, reverse. Be careful about your feeling. You are pretty moody and fluctuated. Let's calm down a bit and control it. The second one for the future, for the present is Tower. Let's check it out. That there could be a sudden change. Someone who support you might just sudden stop. You are on your own. You want to scream out loud. However, you better stay calm and control it to stop unwanted consequence or unwanted behavior. You can pass this situation. The last one for the present is Four of Cups. It's telling that you had stop and wait for a minute. Take a break from hard work. Let's recharge. Stay healthy. Otherwise, you could get sick. Because let's see the nearest future. All are good cards. King of Pentacles. You will spend most of the time with business, making money as you aiming for, and there will be a high potential of success waiting for you, and will be very profitable and high income. Next, the Sun, number 19th card. This is the best card ever for the tarot cards. So future will be so bright. All of what you did will be paid off. All of your suffering will be healed, and soon as it will be rewarded. And it will be higher and exceed the expectation. Again, this card is the best card ever You got it, Aquarius. The last one, Six of Cups. You get well support finally, or vice versa. You support others. You will happily meet with long lost person, or visit in a place. We visit an old place or a place in memorial, and feeling good about the old day. And it is a destiny that will bring those back to you, either lover, relatives, or an old friends. Okay, that's all about the Aquarius. Thanks for watching, and click like if you like this clip, and share with your friend. Subscribe the channel to support this channel. See you again next time. Bye.